So in this video we're going to have a look at the intersection between topics in text. We have a library here with some debates in the House of Commons in the British Parliament, and we're going to select that. And once we selected it, we can actually open it to see the text that go in. See, for example, here that the first text is from 2013, the 7th of January, and we can go down to the last text, which is 2016, 30th of June. So that's just a few days after the actual British referendum, the so-called Brexit referendum. We're going to select all the text now, and we'll choose our report down here, the intersection analysis, and we'll write some topics that we're going to look for. The first topic is EU. So we'll just look for the name of EU. The second topic is common market. And we can select the predefined topic here called common market. So we take that. So now we know that everything we analyze will be checked for the mention of EU or the mention of the common market. We can cross-tab with that with some other topics. For example, we can have a look at, is immigration mentioned? So we'll write immigration. And we can also check if refugee is mentioned. So refugee. Good. So now we have these two topics being cross-tabbed with EU and common market. Now we just have to make a final decision. What amount of text are we going to be analyzing? We can choose between analyzing intersections within sentences, or within paragraphs, or the whole text. Let's go for the middle ground here. We're going to check if EU is mentioned in the same paragraph as immigration, or EU is mentioned in the same paragraph as refugee. And we'll submit. And now the text has been read and analyzed, and we have our spreadsheet with the report down here. We open the spreadsheet and we see the results here. You can see that we have 773 paragraphs in the material. In 318 cases, EU was mentioned. In 7 cases, common market was mentioned. And we see that the intersection between EU and my immigration is 99 times. And we see that the intersection between EU and refugee is 55 times. So that was an example of looking into the intersection between a couple of topics and very quickly analyzing how the frequency comes out in terms of the coincident mention of certain topics. Thank you for watching.